Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in Illinois. So first in your search bar, head over and type apply for unemployment Illinois. And here you can see a link from IDES. All you have to do is click and follow this link. And here you will be redirected to this page where you can start filing a claim. So just click on file a claim button. You will then be redirected to this page where you will see the 10 things that you should know before you start your application or file your UI claim. So the first thing is, of course, you have to understand how unemployment insurance works. So UI benefits are financed by employer payroll contributions and are charged accordingly when claimants are determined eligible to collect benefits. Be sure to accurately report information to ensure you receive the benefits you qualify for. Next is you have to know your responsibilities and know how to ask for help. You can fill out this form to ensure you receive meaningful access to services. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to this hotline. You can also reach out to Illinois Relay by dialing 711 or the Equal Opportunity Office TTY at this hotline. The next thing that you have to know is you have to accurately report the reason you lost your job when you initially file your claim for benefits. So it is important that you be mindful with the information that you provide. You have to give the details correct and accurate as possible. Next is you have to complete your application in one session. It is best to start and finish filing your claim in one sitting. Next is you have to list all your employers from the last 18 months. This is essential because this information and documents included with this are all required all throughout your application process. Next, you also have to be available for work or else your benefits may be denied. Next thing you have to know is you have to actively search for work. And as you can see here, it says that during your certification, you will be required to answer questions regarding your work search. And next is as soon as you begin working again, you have to report your return to work. You have to notify IDES as soon as you begin working to avoid committing fraud. And related to that, the next thing that you have to know is you have to prevent or keep yourself from committing fraud. You must report your gross wages in the week you work and earn them, not in the week you are actually paid. And failure to follow legal requirements has serious consequences. And lastly, do not pay an agent to file your claim. You have the right to authorize another person or an organization to represent you in all claims matters. So it should be free. Be careful to entrust filing your own personal claim to other people. And by knowing all that, you are now ready to go through the application process. Just click on the File an Unemployment Insurance Claim button. And here you will be prompted to sign in first in your account. So just click on the sign in link and use your login credentials. And from there, you can start your application process online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!